In this video, you'll learn how to update your profile on Wecasa. This process will ensure that your personal information is current and accurately reflects your details. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once the page loads, you will need to log into your account. If prompted, enter your email and password in the designated fields and click the login button. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your account settings. On the dashboard, locate your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu providing various options related to your account. Ensure that you can see the options available in the drop-down before proceeding. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Profile. This action will direct you to the profile page where you can view and edit your personal information. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of this page. On the profile page, you will find fields for your name, email, phone number, and other personal information. Click into each field you wish to update and make the necessary changes. It is important to ensure that the information you provide is accurate, as this will help maintain effective communication. After you've made all the desired changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find a button labeled Save or Update. Click this button to apply your changes. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your profile has been successfully updated. Your profile is now updated and will reflect across Wecasa. Make sure to review your profile periodically to keep your information current.